Welcome travelers to the heart of Italy, a region known as Tuscany. Imagine a place where time seems to stand still, where history meets modernity in a dance as old as the rolling hills themselves. This is Tuscany, a celebration of life's simplest yet most profound pleasures. Nestled between the Tyrrhenian Sea and Italy's spine, the Apennine Mountains, Tuscany is a treasure trove of rich culture, breathtaking scenery, and culinary delights. Here, the Renaissance breathes life into the cobblestone streets, and the sun-kissed vineyards bear the fruits of a tradition steeped in time. In this video, we will explore the vibrant city of Florence, the architectural marvel of Pisa, the medieval charm of Siena, and the wine heartland of Chianti. Each place, a unique story etched in stone and painted across the Tuscan sky. So brace yourselves as we take you on a mesmerizing journey through the rolling hills and rustic vineyards of Tuscany. Our first stop is Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Florence, a city that whispers of a time when art and science bloomed side by side under the Tuscan sun. This is where masters like Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci left their indelible marks and where the seeds of the Renaissance were sown. Florence was the heart of this transformative era, a time when human potential was reimagined and the world as we knew it began to take shape. This city's significance is etched into every cobblestone and brushed across every fresco. One cannot speak of Florence without mentioning the Duomo or the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. This architectural marvel, capped with a majestic red dome, is a testament to the city's grandeur during the Renaissance. Its intricate marble patterns and gigantic structure are sure to leave you spellbound. Then there's the Uffizi Gallery, an art lover's paradise. This treasure trove houses a staggering collection of works from the Renaissance masters. Walking through its corridors is like taking a journey through the evolution of art. And let's not forget the Ponte Vecchio. This medieval stone bridge, adorned with shops, is a symbol of Florence's resilience. It's the only Florentine bridge to have survived World War II, standing as a testament to the city's enduring spirit. But Florence isn't just about history and art. It's also a city that celebrates the finer things in life, especially when it comes to food. The city's world-class cuisine is an art form in itself, with traditional dishes like bistecca alla fiorentina and ribollita that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. And let's not forget about gelato. Florence is said to be the birthplace of this creamy delight, and sampling it here is an experience unto itself. From its awe-inspiring architecture to its delectable cuisine, Florence is a city that truly captures the spirit of Tuscany. This cradle of the Renaissance invites you to immerse yourself in an era of enlightenment, to taste its culinary delights, and to lose yourself in its timeless beauty. Next, we journey to Pisa, a city that's more than just its famous Leaning Tower. Pisa's Leaning Tower, a marvel of medieval engineering, is a testament to both human ingenuity and miscalculation. Yet this iconic tilt is not the city's only claim to fame. Pisa is also home to the Pisa Cathedral, a stunning example of Romanesque architecture, and the Baptistery, a round Romanesque building that is both a sculpture and an echo chamber. These structures, along with the Leaning Tower, make up the city's Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, a name that truly encapsulates the wonder of these architectural feats. Beyond these renowned structures, Pisa is a vibrant city steeped in history and culture. From its charming cobblestone streets to its picturesque river views, Pisa is a city that invites exploration and discovery at every turn. Though widely known for its Leaning Tower, Pisa offers a rich cultural experience that is truly Tuscan. Our next stop is Siena, a charming city that is a medieval masterpiece. Siena, nestled in the heart of Tuscany, is a treasure trove of medieval architecture and history. Stepping into this city is like stepping back in time, as its ancient streets and buildings remain remarkably well preserved. The city's layout, with its winding streets and hidden squares, is a testament to its medieval roots. One of the highlights of Siena is undoubtedly its stunning cathedral. This magnificent structure, with its distinctive black and white striped facade, is an architectural marvel. It's a testament to Siena's golden age in the 13th and 14th centuries, when it was one of Europe's wealthiest cities. Inside, you'll find an array of artistic treasures, including frescoes by great Italian artists like Donatello and Bernini. But Siena is not just about buildings, it's a city of traditions. The most famous of these is the Palio, a thrilling horse race that takes place twice a year in the city's central square, the Piazza del Campo. 10 riders representing the city's districts compete in a bareback race around the piazza. The spectacle of the Palio, with its pageantry and passion, is truly a sight to behold. And then there's the food. Siena's cuisine is as unique as its architecture. Traditional dishes like pappardelle with wild boar sauce and panforte, a dense spiced fruitcake, are a testament to the city's rich culinary heritage. And let's not forget the local wines, which are some of the best in Tuscany. In Siena, you can experience a different pace of life, one that's steeped in tradition and history. Here you can lose yourself in narrow cobblestone streets, marvel at stunning works of art, experience the thrill of the paleo, and indulge in delicious local cuisine. With its medieval charm and unique traditions, Siena offers a taste of Tuscany that is both authentic and timeless. Lastly, we visit Chianti, the wine heartland of Tuscany. This region, nestled in the heart of Italy's most romanticized province, is steeped in rich viticultural history. Wine production here dates back over 2,000 years to the Etruscans. But it was during the Middle Ages that Chianti truly began to define itself as a region of wine excellence. The picturesque landscape of Chianti is a patchwork of vineyards and olive groves, dotted with historic estates and charming hamlets. Each vineyard, each grape tells a story of a tradition that has been passed down through generations. And at the heart of this tradition is the Chianti Classico, a wine that has become synonymous with the region itself. Chianti Classico, with its distinctive black rooster seal, is crafted from the region's finest Sangiovese grapes. Its robust character, full body and complex flavors have earned it a place among the world's finest wines. But the magic of Chianti Classico lies not just in its taste, but in the passion and dedication of the winemakers who bring it to life. Visitors to Chianti are welcomed into this world of wine with open arms. Wine tasting tours offer an intimate glimpse into the winemaking process, from the planting of the vines to the aging of the wine in oak barrels. These experiences are not just about tasting wine, but about understanding its roots, its journey from the vineyard to the glass. And what better way to complement the wine than with local gastronomy? The region's culinary scene is as rich and diverse as its wines, with dishes that celebrate the flavors of the land and the seasons. But Chianti is more than just a wine region. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of Tuscany, to the love of the land and the fruits it bears. It's a place where tradition and innovation meet, creating a wine that is as timeless as the rolling hills themselves. From its world-class wines to its breathtaking vineyards, Chianti is a region that embodies the essence of Tuscany. As our journey comes to an end, we bid farewell to the enchanting region of Tuscany. This land of dreams, where art and history mingle with the simplest pleasures of nature, has left an indelible imprint on our hearts. We've wandered through the art-filled streets of Florence, the cradle of Renaissance, where the echoes of Michelangelo and Da Vinci still resonate. We've marveled at Pisa's iconic Leaning Tower, a testament to the enduring spirit of human creativity. In the medieval masterpiece of Siena, we've stepped back in time, walking the same cobblestone paths as the ancient Romans once did. And who could forget Chianti, the wine heartland, where the rolling hills whisper the stories of centuries-old vineyards, each place unique in its own right, offering a piece of the Tuscan soul. From the rolling hills of Chianti to the medieval streets of Siena, from the art-filled city of Florence to the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa, Tuscany is a region that has something for every traveler. So until next time, arrivederci from Tuscany.